How to review videos you have searched for on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review videos you have searched for on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find test three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click activity log, and all you need to do is just click logged actions and other activity. And now here you will find this one, videos you've searched for. Click on it, and as you see here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.